What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to insert page numbers in Microsoft Excel. This is a handy feature, especially when you're preparing a document for printing and need to keep track of pages. First, let's talk about adding page numbers through the header or footer. Start by clicking on the View tab in Excel. Then switch to Page Layout mode. This mode allows you to see the worksheet as it would appear on a printed page. This makes it easy to understand where headers and footers appear. Once in Page Layout mode, move your cursor to the header or footer area of your worksheet. These areas are typically at the top or bottom of the page. By default, they are empty, but you can click on either to start editing. To add page numbers, we'll focus on the footer for this example, because that's where page numbers commonly appear. When you click on the footer, Excel will automatically open the Header and Footer tools under the Design tab. Here, you'll find options to insert different elements into your footer. Click on Page Number to insert a page number. If you want to include the total number of pages as well, you can type OFF after the number and then click on Number of Pages. This setup will display something like 1 of 1 in the footer, indicating the current page and the total number of pages. If you prefer to insert page numbers without switching to the Page Layout view, you can do this from the Insert tab. Under the Text section, find the Header and Footer button, which will also switch you to the Page Layout view, but directly into the Header or Footer editing mode. Another method to insert page numbers is through the Page Layout tab itself. Under Page Setup, click on the small dialog box launcher at the bottom right corner. It looks like a small arrow. This opens the Page Setup dialog box. Go to the Header Footer tab, and you'll see options to set up custom headers and footers. You can select predefined headers or footers with page numbers, or create your own by selecting Custom Header or Custom Footer. Choose the format that fits your needs, and then click on OK to apply. Remember, these changes will only appear in the Page Layout view or the printed document, not in the normal editing view in Excel. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.